fighter jet in the world is partially made here in St. Louis. The F-15 Eagle and the F-18 Hornet. Today we want to take you on a tour of their facilities here in St. Louis, plus many footage of these awesome machines. So sit back, relax, and don't forget to subscribe.
First tonight, a YouTuber posting his lengthy walkthrough of an abandoned
Hi my friends, welcome back to Interaction Reviews. In today's episode we're going to be giving you guys a tour on the Boeing factory visitor center here in St. Louis, Missouri. So let's take a look at it. And then we have the whole showroom, and it looks amazing. We're gonna go through each and every single aircraft. And after we saw the small models, these guys are the big boys here. All right, here as you guys can see the Harrier. It is a VTOL plane. You can take off and land vertically. Another happy pilot. Then we have the F-18. This guy is the Super Hornet. Look how pretty, and you guys can see Super Hornet. sexy it is. A good way to recognize a Super Hornet from the Blue Angels F-18, which is a normal Hornet, is these intakes here. They are square. Now I do have an RC plane F-18 Super Hornet, and I have a couple of videos if you guys want to watch it later. Alright, got one of the trainers here. This guy is, I believe, an experimental drone. You guys can see the inside of it. No pilot at all. That is pretty cool. And then we have here the F-15 Eagle. Look how amazing this guy looks. Is happy of flying. Yes, he is. This thing, it is huge. It is 1/7 scale. Can you imagine just flying one of these? Amazing. This is one of the big models of the Air Force One. Now let's take a look at this ejection seat from a F-4 Phantom fighter jet. Very amazing plane from the Vietnam era. Those are the pull handles. And the rockets should be around at the bottom. Look at that wear-out helmet. That is actually a very modern helmet. I believe it is part of the F-16. Now here we have a very interesting physical graph of all the aircraft lineage from all Boeing and previous acquirements. and the famous DC-10, which is one of my favorite airplanes. Then we got into the F-18s. The corridor, we got this amazing D-17 see-through model. Let's take a look at this commercial version of it. Beautiful. Look at the crew cabin, yeah, it's comfortable. And then you have the lounge here, I guess. This was in style. People travel and fly in style. So as you guys probably know, aircraft manufacturers have to deal with the demand of their government to go the extra mile. In this occasion, it's space. And Boeing and McDonnell Douglas were part of that adventure to go into space. Here, we got the Project Mercury. Now, Project Mercury was designed to test and be the first able spacecraft to carry a human being into space safely and back. So we're gonna go here, take a closer look at this amazing spacecraft. Look how it looks big, but it's actually very, very cramped. Inside is just one person inside. As you guys can see here. And also look at all these instruments here. Now here we have the Gemini spacecraft, designed by the same people, and it's pretty much the same as the Mercury but bigger in scale. It helps the pilot train, give more control to the pilots. Also practicing docking in space, which is essential for landing in the moon. This thing is huge, but as you can see, there's a better improvement. Now there's two people and more controls. Now just imagine sitting there and your only windshield is this little thing facing forward. And I think that pilot looks very, very focused. Now behind this amazing air-to-air missile by huge company, we have something that I'm very proud of because I work in the ICBM business. I was actually a nuclear missileer, and these two guys are the ICBM Minuteman. This is the 3-stage ICBM, Intercontinental Ballistic Missile, but the most modern and the one that we're currently using is the Minuteman 3. It is slicker, bigger, it can carry up to 3 nuclear missiles. Then here we have the latest models of the Boeing family 787, which I had the pleasure of flying when I went to South Korea, and also I flew in the 777, aka the 777, very comfortable plane, huge plane. Here at Interracial Reviews, we want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and if you guys can, please subscribe. It helps the channel, and we will also give you a shout out like we're doing right now for the new subscribers. Keeping up with honesty. Thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the familia. Alejandro Mendez, you were part of the familia already. Thank you so much. Wise Kid, thank you so much again for your subscription. Part of the family and mean for everyone. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. So if you guys like this video, check out all the videos. We do everything on this channel. We are like a variety show. So please check us out. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. See you. Two of the most powerful fighter jet in the world is made here. Two of the most powerful